right, time to open this year's Noeo Science Kit. This one's Biology 1. Woo. So we've got two major books in here, guys. We've got the Instructor's Guide, and we've got the Lab Manual, which will guide you through the experiments. Let's start with the Instructor's Guide. So week 26, the body and the heart. Again, similar layout to the Lab Manual. See the calendar to the right. You see the resources to the left. You spend 5 minutes the night before reviewing this page. You're ready to instruct the next day. A helpful overview, some reading and experiment questions, and then the list of every activity with resources for every day of that week. Noeo Lab Manual. Let's take a look inside. If you look at page 1 of week 16, you'll see a calendar to the right with the list of daily tasks. On the left side, you see the resources your student needs to accomplish those tasks. And then, if you flip the page and start to look at the daily worksheets, you'll see the big question of the week. The kinds of things that your child will be doing throughout the week all point back to that big question. To follow that up, at the end of the week, for the parents and the child alike, there's a helpful overview that gets at the heart of that question. All right, the living books. Let's take a look inside here. The Ready to Read. This is for Biology 1, a fabulous series that introduces some amazing natural phenomena to your budding reader. And I just love this. I love the graphic novel version, Science Heroes. This one, of course, Louis Pasteur. This is engaging and fun stuff. This is a great series that's come out in the last decade or so, exploring nature, and it serves really as a textbook and an activity guide. Experiments in weather can open to any page and you'll have a activity guide with photos and all the materials you need. John James Audubon, wonderful illustrations in this book, a hardback book, one you're going to have all your kids read through eventually. Another one from Audubon, capturing his artistic style. Another book about weather, the first book about weather. This one has a lot of wonderful graphic illustrations, including types of clouds. Human body is also included in Biology 1. And this is kind of an adventure through the human body. Lots of wonderful zoomed in close-up photos of different aspects of the human body and illustrations. Another fabulous series here. This one's called One Small Square. This is a clever one. If you were to take one small square of seashore, if you were to take one small square of woods, what might be in that square? A more comprehensive guide for the budding zoologist, the first animal encyclopedia. And you can find a lot of the most amazing creatures in the world in fabulous photography there. So here's your experiment bundle. Experiment Kit 2 includes kits for multiple weeks. All the things you need for all of these weeks of scientific experimentation. That's Bio 1, guys. Have fun.